Accept and move on. If you can't change it, then why do you want to sit and cry about it, bro? There's literally no point in crying or cribbing about something that's not under your control. You need to forget about it, because if you just keep it in your head and if you just always keep thinking about it, you always start associating every single failure to your height. And that doesn't make any sense. Like, just take approaching a girl, for example. You approach your gym crush and then she rejects you, and then you think it's because of your height. No, it's not. You probably just came across as a dork and a creep to her. That's why she rejected you. It's probably how you carried yourself. It's not your height. So you need to get this self-limiting belief out of your head. Literally, bro. I mean, if you can't change it, if you can't do anything about it, then why do you want to sit and crib about it? Use that energy in something more valuable, like getting in the gym and taking advantage of your genetics, man. Everybody's got strong points and weak points. Because you're shorter, you're gonna fill out your frame much faster than someone who's tall. Like, take this for example. If you're 5'5" and if there's someone who's 6, a 5 kg difference in a 5'5" person is going to look much more drastic and visual as compared to someone who's 6 foot, because a 6 foot dude has a larger frame to fill out. So the 5 added kgs is distributed all across his body and it makes a very tiny difference. But the 5'5" dude, he has a shorter frame to fill out. So the 5 kgs, even if distributed all across his body, it makes him look much bigger because it's not distributed in as big of an area as that of the 6 foot dude. Bulking is also going to be much more easier for shorter dudes because they don't have to eat or smash as much food as a 6 foot guy. Even cutting also probably might be easier for shorter dudes because your appetite is not going to be as much as someone who's taller than you. Take advantage of all these things. Why do you want to sit there and cry about something you can't change? Height is something you can't change. Use every single card you have, bro. You can squat more, bench more, deadlift more body wise as compared to someone who's taller than you. Progressive overload is going to feel much smoother for you because it's easier for you to balance the weight. You have to cover a lesser range of motion as compared to someone who's got longer femurs or arms. Getting bigger muscles in itself will automatically give you so much more confidence, because confidence is exactly what you need right now. That is exactly what you're lacking as a short guy. So literally, man, if you're short, simply putting on some muscle and leaning down a bit is going to do so much for you. You're not even going to believe it. You're literally not going to be the same person anymore. Getting jacked is going to give you a purpose and a sense of drive like nothing else, because you're going to see results much faster than someone who's tall. Again, it's because you have a smaller frame to fill out. So even tiny differences in your physique are going to be highlighted automatically because they're concentrated in a small area. As a short guy, train your shoulders, train your legs so that you get that X frame and look athletic. Just reduce your body fat percentage a little bit till your abs and muscular definition and vascularity is visible, and you're literally all set. Focus on the things you can control, bro. Forget about the things you can't control. There's absolutely no point in crying and cribbing about something that's not under your control, man. You're not a baby anymore that if you just sit there and cry about your height, someone's just gonna drop 5 inches of height from the sky over your head. You're not a baby anymore. No one's going to hand you things. I mean, tall or short, you still have to do the same things. You still have to go to the gym, get in shape, look better, get jacked, etc. etc. There's literally no difference in the things you have to do. Then why should there be a difference in how you feel? And I mean, good communication skills are more important and attractive in a guy anyways. Be funnier, be smart, talk better, walk better. It's going to do much more for you than sitting and crying about your height. And I mean, to be honest, no one really cares about your height as much as you care about your height, bro. Yeah, I mean, sure, if you're going out on a date with someone who's got height preferences, in that case, yeah, sure, height does matter. But in your normal day-to-day life, when you're walking in public or like when you're talking with your friends, nobody's paying attention to your height as much as you are. It's just your insecurity highlighting the fact that you're short. And I mean, most people in general are kind people, man. Like, no one's going to come to you in public and tease you you're short and just run away. That's not gonna happen. Like, the chances of that happening are like practically zero. And if that does happen to you, you should probably be worried more about your luck than your height. So yeah, bro, this insecurity about your height, it's all in your head. Me myself, I'm 5'5". I've been through everything you're going through right now, and trust me, there's no point in sitting and crying about your height. The best thing you can do is not care about your height and care about the things that are actually under your control. Hope this video gave you some insight, and if you want to learn how to lose fat effectively and stay lean forever, then I've actually made a complete fat loss guide on it. The link for that guide will be the first link in the description box below. If you're someone who's short and fat, it's at least better to be someone who's short and fit. So you need to cut down your fat. Anyways, that was it for this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what my next video topic should be about, and I'll see you in the next one.